How to get traffic, make lots of money, grab profit dojo. Traffic is the missing piece to results online. Did you know that traffic methods are changing and you need to be up to date? The information you currently have is likely already really out of date. I came across these guys who are using a unique traffic method, one that requires zero upfront cost, and they are crushing it. He's been doing this for almost a year now and is making anywhere from 1.5k to 5k a month. And to make sure it wasn't a fluke, he began teaching a few students and they're crushing it. I'm talking results like: student number 1 made $4,100. Student number 2 made $1,046. Student number 3 had 2 sales of $997 each. Want to be his next success story? Check out my review of the product by clicking the link in the description. And they are doing these kinds of numbers every single month. The best part is you can use this traffic strategy for marketing, e-com, list building, and anything else. Imagine having that secret weapon in your back pocket, right? How to get traffic, make lots of money, grab profit dojo. Want to learn more? Click the link in the description.